Hello everyone, I am Nivedita Mishra. Welcome to my channel AWS, a gateway to IT. In this session, I will talk about something that can help you transform your career. Guys, are you a fresher and wants to choose the most trending technology in IT? Or you are an experienced IT professional and wants to change the technology? The answer is cloud technology or AWS. Guys, as you all can see, I have created this slide to simplify the explanation of AWS because some of you may have no idea on AWS. Using this slide, you can visualize the AWS. To your left, see your phones, your computers, your apps that you run, and to extreme right, popular apps that you access like Netflix, Instagram, Airbnb. AWS is sitting in the middle supporting your websites. Actually, AWS Cloud provides the necessary infrastructure to run the applications. These four sub-blocks represents the different AWS cloud services meant to fulfill different purposes like EC2 Lambda for compute, like S3 EBS for storage, RDS DynamoDB used as database, VPC Route 53 for networking. Guys, knowingly, unknowingly, when you watch a movie on Netflix or share photos on Instagram or order food through a delivery app, you are actually using AWS without knowing it. So, powering millions of apps and services worldwide. Guys, a legitimate question, why should you learn AWS Cloud? Now, you might be wondering, why should I choose AWS as my career path? Let me share three simple reasons. First, plenty of opportunities across the globe. The cloud computing market is growing rapidly, and AWS leads this market. Companies everywhere need AWS experts, which means plenty of job opportunities for you. Second, great salary potential. Even entry-level AWS positions offer handsome salary. Third, perfect for beginners. You don't need a computer science degree to start. AWS has a clear learning path that anyone can follow. One of the most common question which scares the people, guys. I don't know coding. Ma'am, can I still get into IT? No coding background? Yes. Because many successful AWS professionals started with no coding background, and some were system admins, DBAs, PeopleSoft admins, network engineers, or even came from non-IT background like marketing or finance. Then the second question that comes up in our mind, will learning some basic coding help you later? Sure, but it's not your entry ticket. You can start your AWS journey right now exactly where you are. So you can start your career with no or minimal coding skill in AWS. The next common question, I am ready to learn AWS Cloud. Will I get a job? Answer is absolutely yes. Because there are high demands in different roles in AWS. I will talk about little later. Now let's talk about future growth prospects. There are still 60% of companies yet to move to cloud, and this process is ongoing. It means they need cloud professionals. Guys, one most important point, various paths to choose. See massive job opportunities across the world for different AWS roles. You can be AWS admin, you can be a solution architect or a developer, you can be security architect or DevOps engineer, and many more. Now let's talk about market leadership position. So AWS holds 34% of the cloud market as of now. And this means 1 in 3 companies choosing cloud likely choose AWS. First mover advantage since 2006, as it is from 2006. Most trusted brand in cloud computing. We have other brands as well like Azure, like GCP, but the most trusted is AWS. Now let's talk about AWS Market Statistics dashboard, or let's look at some exciting numbers that show why AWS is such a promising career choice, or why AWS is a global cloud leader. Here you see AWS holds 34% of the cloud market and Azure with 21%, GCP with 11% as of now. So this clears you that why this is global cloud leader. Now AWS market growth trends. This dashboard reveals 3 key metrics that demonstrates AWS dominance in the cloud computing industry. First, let's focus on the orange bar showing AWS market share. Here you see. Then job growth, after that salary trend. See here, in 2022, AWS held 34% of the global cloud market, and this grew to 36% in 2023 and reached 38% in 2024. So this consistent growth shows that AWS isn't just the market leader, it's actually increasing its lead. Now let's talk about job growth trends. Here you see, look at the dark blue bars showing job growth. Starting at 28% in 2022, jumping to 32% in 2023, and reaching 35% in 2024. These percentages represent year-over-year growth in AWS job openings. Now let's talk about salary trends. Finally, let's examine the light blue bars showing average salaries in thousands of dollars. In 2022, you see $115,000. In 2023, $125, and in 2024 this is $135. $135,000, guys. So notice the steady upward trend. That's an average increase of $10,000 per year. And remember, these are average figures. Specialized roles and experienced professionals often earn significantly more. Now let's talk about few job portals. See the LinkedIn. Over 57,000 AWS jobs in India, indicating a strong demand for AWS skills. In Indeed shows 13,000 plus AWS Cloud Jobs listing and 3,000 plus DevOps AWS job listings as of now. In Naukri.com, Naukri shows 19,000 plus AWS Cloud Jobs. Now you can be one of them. See, if you are having an experience of 0 to 3 years, or if you are a fresher, then you can join as an AWS engineer or AWS admin, operational engineer. After an experience of 3 to 7 years, You can be AWS Solution Architects, AWS DevOps, Security Architect, or FinOps expert. After getting an experience of 7 to 10 years, you can become AWS Senior Solution Architect or Infra Architect Lead. Now with 10 years plus experience, AWS Enterprise Architect, or you can be AWS Project Manager. With an experience of 18 plus years, you can be Chief Cloud Architect or Infra Head. So guys, let's over this session here only. Thank you for watching. Guys, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with more AWS content. Bye bye.